Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. And today, more news about AgentLayer. We made a video about it before, and since then I got a total of 2 nodes, accumulated like a bunch of points so far. And right now, they have a couple different campaigns going on, challenges you could say, things that are free to join, but also have some more benefits if you do own a node. As a general recap so far, in case you didn't watch any of the other videos, AgentLayer is one of those node projects that definitely has a bright future ahead, as they have a working product, they have great partners, they hint towards something like a listing on Bybit as an exchange, for example, once the token generative event, the TGE, happens. And overall, the quality is a lot higher than for most other node projects. Now, right now, there's one coin out there called Mantle, or one project, I should say, almost $3 billion on market cap, and they are working on a campaign with AgentLayer for which 1 million Mantle tokens and 2 million tokens on AgentLayer are up for grabs. And depending on how many points you accumulate in that time frame until August 10, I think, you get a certain amount of tokens once the token is live. Now, there are some guaranteed rewards where you can get a bunch of different points, you can have a chance of winning a node for free, and overall, there are lots of different tasks that you can do, like follow them, interact, have some testnet interactions, use your wallet, use the AI, and things that they are building. Now, they are building different agents. That's what the name is, AgentLayer. Those are AI-controlled agents that all have a certain purpose. For example, one of the main AIs right now is something that is already integrated into TON, the Telegram Open Network. It is something you can use on Telegram, and it's called Tarot AI. When it comes to reading your future, telling the future, there are tarot cards. Those cards are different pictures that you flip over. And while it is on the more spiritual side, that is huge on like a global scale. And it's already working in Telegram, which means if you want to try it out yourself and get some points that way, that works already. For everything mentioned in here, if you already have a node, the price right now is $1,035. If you already have one, you get additional tasks that you can do, you can farm more points, you get some benefits because you invested into the project early on. And if you didn't get a node, link is down below, but it is not financial advice, as you guys are aware of. Right now, only 7,600 nodes have been sold, and the prediction is that around the time when it gets listed and the token generative event happens and we can actively trade the token, by that time, probably around 10,000 nodes will be sold, if not more. Which means right now is still a pretty good time to get into it. And then again, it also allows you to farm more points. Now, when it comes to the AgentLayer points, if you have 50,000 tokens total, then on the snapshot day, which is I think on August 11th, you will then be eligible in order to receive some additional airdrops. And here's what I think for the project long term. First of all, most other node projects out there, they have no working prototype. They promise a lot of things, but they don't show any results. In AgentLayer, they showed the results first. We can actively participate in order to trade the agents, get additional rewards for that. They have great partnerships and great connections in this crypto space. And anything AI in its name is probably going to do like an easy 10x in this ballroom. If it fits a certain narrative and it grants you passive income and it has a good use case, we have 3 major green flags all at once. And I can then move the project forward at a way faster rate than usual. And if this is just the beginning and the start of AgentLayer, then you'll be surprised on how many things are going to come up fairly soon, considering that they now have a larger marketing budget, more money for research and development, they can hire more people in the team. This is now an active building phase, and they're moving forward in the right direction. So in case you're interested, look through a couple YouTube videos and check it out for yourself, see if you feel comfortable with it, and we can then calculate how much passive income this makes on a daily basis once the TGE happened and the token is officially listed. Again, the challenges that you can do in order to qualify for the upcoming airdrop, they're all free to participate in. You just get additional tasks and things to do if you have a node. Make sure to check them out, links down below, and I see you guys fairly soon. Bye guys.